Hey guys, so I was looking through my videos the other day and I was like, I haven't done a favorites video in so fucking long. So in today's video, obviously as you can tell from the title, as I just said, it's gonna be a favorites video, mainly makeup favorites. No, all makeup favorites actually. And yeah, let's get into it. So my first favorite is actually a primer that I wasn't expecting to actually like or see a difference in using this instead of the original. This is the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. I was kind of skeptical at first because I was like, it's a mattifying primer, but it's meant to give a radiant finish. Like, how does that work? So I started using it and honestly, I freaking love this stuff. I don't know if this is like a psychological thing or if this is like the formula. I feel like it fills in my pores better than the original Professional. I don't know. It's just my personal preference, my personal opinion. Only thing that I don't like about this is that it is quite pale. So on deeper skin tones, it would just turn your face purple. Even on my skin, it makes it look like it has a white, light pink cast over it. It looks kind of odd. So that's it there. As you can see, it's very, very, very light. It definitely is brightening, but I think that's why it looks a little bit white on my face because it is a brightening formula. So if they came out with this in maybe a couple of different tones, like a Professional in like a more neutral gold shade, oh my god, that would be everything. The next product is a foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and this is in the shade 208. I know that L'Oreal watches my videos, so L'Oreal, please try and get more shades here in Australia because this foundation is amazing. The formula is beautiful. I'm wearing it right now on my face. As you can see, I have a really, really, really nice glow to my skin. I was watching my friend Neeeed review this foundation and I thought there's no fucking way this is gonna work on her because I have more combination skin. Her entire channel is dedicated to oily skin. So if you have oily skin, I'll leave Neeeed's channel down below. Check it out. You will love her, okay? And she really, really likes this foundation, which was quite surprising to me because I wouldn't have expected that she would have loved it because it's not a matte formula. It's not an oil controlling formula. As I was saying, I'm in the shade 208. I do have to mix this with a lighter shade because I find that this is a bit too yellow for me. L'Oreal, while you're at it, if you're gonna extend the range, can you get some neutral shades in there, please? Thank you so much, love you. This is definitely a good medium to full coverage foundation and it does set down quite nicely. I still get some creasing in my crease lines, but it doesn't make them look crazy obvious, if you know what I mean. If you guys are looking for a really, really nice, maybe everyday foundation, because you can even just shear this out with like a damp beauty sponge, go for this one here. You will not be disappointed. The concealer that I've been using the second I got it, and I haven't used another concealer since, is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I do not know what fucking took me so long to get on the bandwagon. I've been using like LA Girl, NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, Lancome, Maybelline. I've been using a ton of different concealers before this, and ever since I got this, this is all I've been using. I use a shade light, medium, and medium, but they are once again a little bit too yellow for me, too yellow toned, so I'm gonna try and find a shade that's a little bit more neutral. But honestly, this is the fullest coverage concealer I've ever used in my entire life. I would say it's even more pigmented than the MAC Pro Longwear concealer. And if you guys know MAC Pro Longwear, you know how much it doesn't move and how full coverage it is as well. I personally feel like this sets down a little bit less than the Pro Longwear would on its own, but it has more coverage. And I always set my concealer under my eyes with my damn beauty blender anyway because I don't want that shit going fucking nowhere. So honestly, if you haven't tried the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, you are missing out. If you live in the US and you haven't tried it, I'm judging because you have access to Ulta and we don't. It is quite a pricey concealer. I think it's about 27 US dollars, but it is fucking worth it. It's like $40 Australian, worth it. Thank you so much. I just realized that I have two highlighters. So the first one that I've been obsessed with for what feels like forever. It's been at least 6 months that I've been using this and I just haven't been able to say what it is. This is the Charobella Glow Powder in the shade Charlie's Glow. Now this is what it looks like here. I don't know if you guys can see how much of a dip I have made in this, but I have used the fucking shit out of this. It's a little bit like Champagne Pot, except it has a little bit more depth to it. It has a little bit more of a warmth to it, and I am obsessed. This also happens to be my really good friend Tanya's brand. So Tanya girl, if you're watching this, this is such a fucking amazing product and you know it, bitch. You know you did that. The next highlighter that I've been loving is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. And I don't know if there are shades of these or if it's called Mega Glow, like I really don't know, but this is what it looks like here. It is the pink tone. This is such a pigmented formula. Like, oh my god, that is just one swipe. And this is like $4 or $5 American, like $10 Australian. This is such an inexpensive highlight. The one thing that I don't like about it is the packaging. It's like really cheap and really, really flimsy, but like it's 10 bucks. Like, what do you expect? Okay, so I have a pair of lashes. These are the lashes that I'm wearing right now. These have been my absolute favorite lashes for like forever at this point. And these are, of course, my own line, Bouquet Beauty, and these are the Naomi lashes. Now, these are out of stock as I'm filming this, but I think by the time this video goes up, they'll be back in stock. So I'll leave my website down below if you guys want to check them out. Afterpay is available for Australian customers, flat rate international shipping, okay? And honestly, I think you guys can see why I love them so much, because they are so fun, they're so out there, they're so flirty, and honestly, these are just the go-to lashes for any occasion, any look. They look amazing on every eye shape. They're everything. These are the L'Oreal Paris Kajal liners, and I've been using the white and the black ones for a few weeks now, and I'm in love with these. They are so easy to apply. They're so creamy, so buttery. They don't flake off. They don't go all dry and crusty. As you can see, that is the entire product that you get there. So when you actually use it, you're not gliding wood across your waterline and like making your eyes all irritated and shit. It is so comfortable to apply. I haven't used the black one as much, but as you can see, it is definitely black. So yeah, honestly, L'Oreal, thank you for making these, because I was so sick of using white eyeliners and poking my fucking eye out with wood. It's really annoying. Okay, so my last favorite is the Australis Neutralized Palette. I did a video using this. I will leave it linked down below. As you can see, it's like Soft Glam by ABH meets Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette a little bit, but the formula of these shades are bomb. So I'm pretty sure the white one in here is a satin formula, and then you have like your intense shimmers, you have your mattes, and such a bomb palette. They blended out beautifully, they applied beautifully, it didn't take much to get them working, and yeah, like for the price, it's Australis, so it's a really, really affordable, really inexpensive drugstore product. If you guys can get your hands on it, do it. You will not regret it. So guys, that concludes this little favorites video. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done one. I hope you all enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, go to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, go to my Twitter, follow me on Twitter. I will leave the end card over my face right now so you guys can go ahead and click over to the next video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.